Hey guys, now I know I look crazy right now, but everything's gonna come together at the end. So now I used a concealer to set my eyes. I then used my beauty blender that I got from Dubois Street, but I didn't like it at first. It felt like using clothes that are stuffed together to blend, lol. And after washing it, the stains didn't go away, so I must say that it was not my favorite product from Dubois Street. And then for my eyes, I started with Cairo as my transition shade. It's a nice matte color, orange to be precise. So now I then went in with Ada on my crease area. It helped me in defining my crease, also matte, and it's kind of brick red, almost burgundy in shade. And I took my time while blending. That's very important. I then used a flat brush for my next step. I dampened it to make the color more pronounced. I then went in with Color Bar. Now, my phone wasn't doing justice with this shade. It looks kind of maroon from the screen, but it's actually brick red, almost pink. Now this is the true appearance of the eyeshadow on my eyelid. And last but not least, I mixed Chi or She, not so sure, and Fulani, and went in on my outer corner to create a smoky-ish kind of effect. The next step is eyeliner to create a wing line, and then my mascara. I didn't film the rest of my face just because we were focusing on the eyes and the products that I got from Dubois Street. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.